Good morning. Today's topic is natural resources and types of natural resources. Natural resources are only the part of some total of environmental condition that forms the human existence. These resources are used to fulfill the physical and cultural needs of society. Natural resources include solar energy, wind, land, soil, water bodies, subsurface water, mineral, vegetation, animal, etc. Now, types of natural resources. Natural resources is the naturally occurring product that are of significance to human. Resources are essential to human survival, while some resources are the creation of capital. The creation of human need is central to the capitalist economy. The need is manifested in form resource. The more the resource creation, the wider would be the space for capital expansionism. Resources can be classified through numerous ways as the source of origin, the state of development, and the renewability of the resources. In terms of the source of origin, natural resources can be divided into the following types. Type first, biotic. Such resources are obtained directly from the nature. The source of such resources are the forest and the minerals, reserves, and various components of it. This also includes minerals like oil and petroleum that are buried under the earth through the decay of organic matter for several years. Abiotic. Such resources, though found naturally, are non-living entity. Natural resources can also be categorized based on their stage of development, including potential resources. These are resources that exist in a region and may be used in the future. Example, petroleum in the sedimentary rock beds of a country is a potential resource as that resource is yet to be utilized by human, though it may have been found. Second, actual resource. This comprises of these resources that actually exist on the surface. These resources are currently being used by the people through technological advancement. Improvement in the resistance level of the resource is possibly, but utility and function of such resources are continually being used. Reserve resources. This can also be termed as future resources. These are those resources that can be used in the coming future but are being kept hidden. The reserved stock of resources can be used to facilitate welfare programs by the government. These type of resources form the part of actual resources. Stock resources. Such types of resources are known by the human to be in existence, that is, to that the people have the knowledge of its existence and the particular utility and function of the resource, but due to the lack of proper technology, it has not yet been harnessed to practical use. An example of a stock resource is hydrogen. Natural resources are further classified on the basis of renewability. There are two types on the basis of renewability of natural resources. These are as following. Renewable resources. Such resources can be restocked. Examples include air, sunlight, and wind. The availability of such resources is ad infinitum, and the quality of resource are also to certain extent constant with respect to human consumption, but such resources are liable to be depleted if overused. The capitalist's war with the earth has already made the air scarce. The commodification and the cost of purified air in global market is an example of the result of human excessive interference with the renewable resources. Second, non-renewable resources. Such resources are generally in less quantity and aren't readily formed in the environment. A resource is considered to be non-renewable when their rate of consumption exceeds the rate of discovery. Examples of non-renewable natural resources are mineral and fossil fuels. Thank you.